uh, dip the outer part of the ear, and then get again cotton buds, the outer part to the other side of the ear, and then repeat until thoroughly clean. And then after, we will proceed to the shampooing of the patient. Before we do shampooing, we will assess the baby's head for the redness or irritation. And if have, we will use a prescribed shampoo or special shampoo. Get a good cotton basin with warm water, check wrist and elbow for the temperature. And then we will get the baby in a football position. The head is lower than the rest of the body. Cover the ears with 2 fingers. Get small towel, fold, and put the eyes in of the baby. And then wet the head of the baby until at the back. Get ample amount of shampoo, and then gently massage with fingertips. And then read. Also at the back of the head of the baby. And then we will rinse to another basin, wet, until totally remove the shampoo, and then dry with using the cover of the eyes. And then return the baby to the counter part. Get again to basin, the other one with soap. For water, check the temperature with wrist and elbow. Now we will start wetting the body of the baby. First, get hand towel, soap, small towel, soap, rinse and squeeze. Do hand clean and fold. Then first the neck, from medial to lateral, chest, medial to lateral, abdomen, medial to lateral. And then the arms, the axilla, the arms, focus on the interdigit. And then the other side, arms, axilla, interdigit. Again, soap again in the water, rinse, squeeze, do hand beat and fold again. Do hand beat and fold. The lower extremities, the legs, the folds in the creases, in the interdigit. Other side, the folds, focus on the folds, and in the creases, in the interdigit. And then soap again, rinse, squeeze, do hand beat and fold. At the back of the baby, side lying, wet the back of until to the buttocks. And now we will proceed to the soaping.
Use the soap. If you have bar soap, you can use it. But
Lathering in the past.
if you have
Gel, get ample amount, and then lather. And then first in the neck, medial to lateral, chest, medial to lateral,
just do
abdomen,
the soaking.
soaking, and then arms, axilla, interdigit, axilla, interdigit. Get again soap, and then get again soap, lower extremities, fold in the creases, interdigit, and then get again soap, and then side lying position the baby, side lying in the back until to the bottom.
Okay, now we're done with the soaking.
Now we were done for soaping. Now we will proceed to the rinsing.
Okay.
Now get the baby cradle by cradling, and then put the baby on the bathtub. Then position the baby semi-sitting position. The hand is supporting the buttocks and the forearm supporting the
Yes.
back of the baby. And then rinse the baby until remove all the soap. And then return to the baby in the countertop. Get Uh,
Yes.
get the
New
new
towel.
towel or blanket, place it over to the old blanket,
Yes.
place the baby, pat dry the baby,
Yes.
and then throw,
Place it in the
get all the old blanket, place it to the
laundry bin.
laundry bin, and then now get the diaper to in preparing to put in the baby.
At first.
But first, we will put the petroleum jelly and then put it in the diaper area,
Yes.
and then first put the diaper under the buttocks, and then make sure the diaper is snugly fit, not too loose, not too tight.
Okay.
And then now dress the baby, upper extremities, widening the neck hole, next the armhole, and then the shorts or pajama.
Okay.
We will put the wear the pajama of the baby one leg at a time,
Yes.
and after that check the nail of the baby is too long, trim it.
Yes.
And now if we will
Loading.
put powder,
Yes.
get the powder, you turn back at the baby
Mhm.
and only put in the feet.
Mhm.
If cologne, put only in the cloth of the baby. And now the baby is ready to sleep. Return to the crib.
Okay, that's good. Okay, you're done. Everybody. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay.
Clean the other side, labia down to the anus. Discard. Then get cotton balls, deep squeeze in the middle from top until to the anus. If the baby is male, get cotton balls, deep squeeze side of the scrotum, including the inguinal, down to the anus. And then the other side, get cotton balls, deep squeeze side of the scrotum, including the inguinal, down to the anus.
Okay.
And then disregard. Get again cotton balls, deep squeeze, squeeze in the tip of the penis,
Okay.
shaft of the penis, and then swipe, including the shaft of the penis, scrotum down to the
That's
anus.
okay.
And then
Repeat
disregard.
until-
Repeat until thoroughly clean.
Okay.
And then get cotton buds,
Okay.
deep the scrotum horizontally,
Yes.
focus on the folds and creases. Then disregard, get cotton balls, deep squeeze, other side of the scrotum,
Okay.
and then clean horizontally,
Mhm.
folds and the creases.
Okay.
And then after that, cover the baby,
Cover.
do hand washing,
Okay.
get the thermometer,
Okay.
clean the thermometer from
Okay, we have a thermometer here. Okay.
get the thermometer, clean with disinfect with cotton balls from the bulb
And alcohol.
and alcohol, disinfect with cotton buds and alcohol from the bulb up to the stem. Dip the bulb into the petroleum jelly and then hold the feet of the baby with your free arms,
Okay.
side lying, exposing the rectum, and then gently insert the thermometer. And then after
Insert for how many inch?
for
0.5.
0.5 inch, and then wait for until the audible indicated completion, and then read the temperature, and then after that disinfect with cotton buds and alcohol from stem to the bulb,
Okay.
and then put in the container.
Put it in the container.
Put basta container.
Under the blanket.
Put in the container and then store.
Yes.
And then after, undress the upper extremities of the baby. First the armhole. And then widening the armhole, and then widening the neck hole, and then put it in the, and then cover.
Okay.
Get the basin, and then with warm water, check with the wrist and elbow,
Okay.
and then we will start now to clean the baby's face.
Okay.
First, get cotton balls, deep squeeze, eyes, upper inner canthus to outer canthus. Throw, get again cotton balls, deep squeeze, lower inner canthus to outer canthus.
Okay, that's good.
Throw the other side, deep squeeze, upper inner canthus to outer canthus.
Okay.
Throw, get again cotton balls, deep squeeze, lower inner canthus to outer canthus. Now, we will clean the nose. Get cotton balls, deep squeeze, the bridge of the nose and the side.
Okay.
Throw, get cotton buds, deep, the outside part of the nose trill, and then
Why only the external part?
because the inside, the internal part of the nose, is self-cleaning. So we will clean only the outside part. And then after, get again cotton balls, deep squeeze, lower lip, upper lip. And then get cotton balls again, deep squeeze, lower lip. Get